Alright guys, I wanted to show you this fun, what is this, like a meat press basically, where you can make a bunch of patties all at once. So this is just some organic ground beef. I already mixed in some seasoning. I did Montreal seasoning and I mixed it in nicely so that it's already incorporated. And then you just take this guy, you fill it up, and take this and smush it. I flip it the right way. There we go. Smush it down. I'm always looking for things that make life easier in the kitchen, especially with meal prep, trying to make things faster and more convenient so that you're not spending all day in the kitchen, because we all got stuff to do, right? So flip this guy over, smush it down nicely, and then peel it off. And then boom, we have nice little patties. And then what I do is I just flip that over onto a sheet like this. And then you've got your individual patties. They're perfectly portioned out. Throw them on the grill. Super easy. You can even store them in this container here if you wanted to in the freezer. So that's something I definitely recommend. We picked this guy up over at Ace Hardware, but I'm sure you could find him online. And I'll put the name of it down in the description.